Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to add customer registration form to your Shopify store using JotForm. To get started, scroll down to the description below this video and click on the first link provided. This will take you to JotForm, a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes. JotForm is a powerful platform that offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize your forms. It simplifies the process of collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. And also, you get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to JotForm. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or using your email address. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your JotForm account. Now that you have your JotForm account set up, let's move on to adding a customer registration form to your Shopify store. To add a customer registration form to your Shopify store, the first step is to create the form itself. In the JotForm dashboard, click on the Create Form button either at the center or top left side of the dashboard. This will give you 4 options: Start from scratch, Use template, Import form, and Create assignable document. For this tutorial, select the Use Template option to utilize a pre-built template. This will take you to the template library. In the template library, click on Registration Forms in the left menu. This will display various templates for registration forms. Choose a template that suits your needs. In this case, we'll select the College Admission Form template. Click on the Use Template option to proceed to the editor. In the editor, you have the option to customize the template according to your preferences. To add the registration form to your Shopify store, go to the Publish section in JotForm. Within the Publish section, click on the Platforms option located in the left menu. Search for Shopify in the search bar, and once it appears in the search results, click on it. You will see an embed code that you can copy. This code can be pasted into your Shopify store to embed the form there. Click on the Copy Code option to copy the embed code. Now, open your Shopify account and navigate to the Online Store section. Within the Online Store section, click on Pages. This will take you to the Page section. Click on the Add Page button to create a new page. Enter the title of the form in the Title field, such as College Admission Form. In the Content field, click on the Show HTML option and paste the code you copied from JotForm. Once you've pasted the code, click on the Save button. Now your form will be embedded into your Shopify store. To view your form, click on the View Page button at the top right side of the page. This will open a new tab where you can view the embedded form on your Shopify store. And there you have it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my JotForm tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.